Hello everyone. Today I am here to present about the case study on IBM Watson and it is presented by Nitya Subhash and Simi Matthew. First of all, what is Watson? Watson is a question answering computer system capable of answering questions posed in natural language. It was developed in IBM's DPQA project by a research team led by principal investigator David Ferrucci. Watson was named after IBM's founder and first CEO, Industries Thomas J. Watson. Let's talk about the key points of the IBM Watson. In February 2011, history made by defeating the topmost decorated champions of the game show Jeopardy, named after Thomas J. Watson, integrated with the ability to process natural language. And IBM Watson has the Power 7 processor. It has 16 terabytes of RAM and uses 3.5 GHz Power 7 8 core processor. It can process 500 GB per second, that is equal to a million books. It is written in various programming languages such as Java, C++, and Prolog. It protects your insights and secure your IP address. Over 10 million documents were loaded including encyclopedia, Wikipedia. It will give answer to your questions in less than 3 seconds. No matter whether your data is big or small, it is valuable to you and understand the value of each data. Algorithms were programmed for the critical thinking of Watson, had the ability to learn from the mistake and success. Let's talk about the brief history of IBM Watson. In 2006, IBM Research Project. In February 2011, Jeopardy Grand Challenge. And in August 2011, Watson for Healthcare. In 2012 March, Watson for Financial Services. And in 2012 also Watson Industry Solutions. Here are the questions to the case studies and here are the solution for the case studies. How powerful is Watson? Describe its technology. Why does it require so much powerful hardware? Watson consists of 10 racks of IBM Power, 750 servers running in Linux with 15 TB of RAM and 2880 processor cores and operated at 80 teraflops. The main idea behind considering this system is to support huge data, manipulate and deliver the solution to question or a problem very accurately in the least possible time. The huge data loads are stored in the primary memory of Watson, which would slow down the processor, thereby reducing speed of computing. To minimize this, Watson was loaded with such high power processors and servers. Watson's computing ability made it to respond to its core is less than 3 seconds. And the second question is, how intelligent is Watson? What can it do and what cannot it do? The Watson is intelligent and has learned from his mistakes and success through a mission. Algorithms programmed into the system and memory analyzes the used language and interprets the information gathered from the external sources. There are general hundreds of solutions developed by the mission as well. The Watson projector remembers the type of questions and runs the hundred of algorithm to solve the problem. When the problems are solved, the questions is remembered against the found solutions. The pattern of similarities and the cross connections are used in system to develop the solution or a similar problem in short time that before and with more accuracy. The Watson, however, is not effective when it comes to development of answers based on the prior experiences and problems based on good guesses. The Watson system is very intelligent, but it cannot still predict the future to have intentions, feelings, and objectives regarding and issues of a problem. And the third question is, what kind of problems is Watson able to solve? How useful a tool is it for knowledge, management, and decision making? Watson was developed to process natural language. It was used as source to solve problems related to reasoning. It was later developed to solve problems related to identification of different treatment techniques for different patients. It was used as a guide by different organolegists. They were used in financial services to compute the problem arising in various transactions. Recent development in Watson made it possible to identify solutions to future prediction in financial, educational, and medical services. And the fourth question is, do you think Watson will be as useful in other disciplines as IBM hopes? Will be Will it be beneficial to everyone? Explain your answer. The future expectation attached with the use of Watson are in the field of medicine, financial services, and industries where large amount of data and stocks are transacted online and through the trade. The benefits is developed for future smaller scale businesses. One of the prominent users of Watson system is the WellPoint Incorporation, health insurance company, using Watson to sort through treatments and medicines stored in the database against different diseases and symptoms. Diagnosis, however, is still dealt by the professional because it requires prior experience and proper knowledge of the issues. Here comes to the end of our presentation. Thank you.